I'm sitting in my parking lot right now in my basement, and I was just waiting for Rahul to come. And by the way, I'm gonna start driving again. Okay, that's a completely different thing. I'm gonna talk about it later. But I was just scrolling through Instagram, you know, wasting my time like I always do. Scrolling through Instagram is wastage of time. Can we all agree to that? But I'm addicted. I don't know what to do. I scroll through Instagram for hours and hours and hours, and I know that it's a waste of time. I know it. I'm very self-aware. Okay, I'm a very self-aware person. I know it's a fucking waste of time, but I can't do anything about it. So I thought, you know what? I've already wasted hundreds of hours scrolling through Instagram. I might as well just waste 2 more hours. I've been watching a lot of fashion critique things from the past few days. So, once you watch something, Instagram only throws that on you. I watched one fashion critique thing in repeat because, I watched it, and then I was like, I was using a lot of my brain cells, understanding why the person critiqued the way he or she critiqued. I don't want to get into who was it, but yeah, that was a thing. And I just felt so bad. I felt bad. I felt real bad. I was like, why on earth are we so against personal style? Why? I want the universe to just tell me, why are we against personal style in this world? We should all have a personal style, right? We should keep personal style above fashion trends. I just don't understand what is this grudge that these people are holding towards people who have personal style. If someone is wearing one kind of silhouette through and through in every single event that they attend, I don't understand what is wrong with that. I don't. I failed to understand the psyche behind saying that this is boring. Please wear something else. You have been wearing the same thing again and again and again and again. What is so wrong with it? I don't understand. In fact, I think this is a great thing. This just tells me that this person has a personal style, has a style of his or her own. And this particular person just likes wearing these kind of things. If I see a picture of only the outfit of this particular person, I'll instantly know who this person is. Because now I am relating to this person because of this person's personal style. And somehow this particular person who has been evolving and growing his or her personal style and carrying that personal style through and through all of the events that he or she attends to, somehow this has become boring now. I don't understand it. I fail to understand this. Why? I don't get it. What's wrong with it? Why do we have to criticize? You can criticize the outfit. I understand outfit in terms like you can, if you're someone from fashion design background, and if you know the nitty-gritties of the fabric or the construction or what kind of sleeves look good with what kind of bodices, if you're talking about that, if you're criticizing that, I can understand. You are being technical when you're criticizing a dress or whatever, okay? But I don't understand criticism when it comes from a place where you are criticizing someone's choices. Now, I'm not saying that run naked on the street. I mean, if someone says that my personal style is running naked on the street, I feel comfortable if I'm naked. That's stupid. That's collective. We collectively understand and we collectively know that this person is trolling. Either trolling or just being really fucking stupid. Okay, I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying that it's a little weird when you criticize someone else's fashion choices, So if someone is wearing the same kind of clothes, somehow it's weird because now we don't want personal style. But then if someone is wearing all types of clothing, we suddenly want personal style. We started suddenly talking about how personal style is dying. Everybody is just wearing whatever, even if this person looks beautiful, but I cannot see her style in this, I cannot see a personal style. But when someone is trying to incorporate their personal style in whatever that they are wearing on a regular basis, that just becomes boring. This is ridiculous. This is fucked up. This is fucked up, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. It kind of like, wow, I just fucking realized that I lost an earring. Where the fuck is my earring? Okay. Anyway, you know what? I think it's time. It's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go, everybody. I'll see you guys next time. Signing out. See you guys next time. Rahul has apparently taken Chico for poop. So I'm going home now. And I just said, signing out. What the fuck did I say, signing out? Anyway, bye.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano,